Hi everyone, it's Josh from Landscape Plus, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the HUB-300, which is the latest to the IN-LITE range in terms of their controllers. So we've spoken a little bit in previous videos about the HUB-50, HUB-100 and HUB-150, but today we're going to really focus in on the HUB-300. It has been around for a little while, but not massively spoken about because we've usually got the lab team involved on these projects because there are a few fittings that you actually can't use on this hub. But we'll talk a little bit about that later on. So to start off with, it is a low voltage system, so it's still completely safe, but it's 21 volt instead of what you would traditionally expect from IN-LITE, which is 12 volt. The reason why that's so important though is because of the run distances that you can do on this system. So historically, you'd either run 40 meters on the 14x2 or 80 meters on their 10x2 cable. But now with the new HUB-300, you can actually go up to a total of 160 meters per zone. Just like the other hubs, you're still running off of 3 zones. So you've got zone 1, 2, and 3 at the bottom. So that all stays the exact same. In terms of controllability and what the actual unit does, it's all the exact same. The only big changes here are 21 volt and the run distances you can do with the cable. Other things to note with the HUB-300, it does have a maximum capacity just like their other controllers. And on this one, it is 300 VA. Splitting across your 3 zones, we usually recommend a maximum of 130 VA per zone. Just like the other units, you can get a hub protector if this one's being mounted outside, and again, roughly 300 to 500 mil above ground level, just to prevent any splashback on the actual inputs on the bottom. Something else to consider with the HUB-300 is the cable that you're using. We highly recommend sticking to 10x2 cable rather than 14x2 with these systems. I mentioned earlier that there's a few fittings that you can't use on the HUB-300 system, and those are the DB LED, the Hive, Fusion, and the Live wall.